मेरो घरमा आज पाक्दैछ पास्ता. Okay, pasta is ready. It's already boiled, and I've got a big pan on the side. Oops. Here, and I'm gonna use these ingredients. Ready भएको छ. This is our veggies: carrot, mushroom, zucchini, some lettuce, chickpeas, and our bolognese Lego sauce. And I'm gonna start cooking in this fry pan. यसमा चाहिँ थोरै तेल हाल्नु होला. Some oil, थोरै some curry leaves, and then some zira, and we're going to fry some chickpeas here. मजाले रेडी भइसकेको छ. यो chickpeas हाल्दिने. Let's put some mushroom and let it fry until a few times. I'm making vegetable pasta today. Let's put some green chickpeas in as well. And then stir it well, mix it well, let it cool. Pasta ready. Time to put some spice mix. Veggies are well done now. Let's put some spice mix. हाम्रो पास्तालाई चाहिँ अलिकति स्पाइसी बनाउनको लागि मसँग छ टिमुरको छोप. त्यो म थोरै राख्दिन्छु, धेरै राख्दिनँ. It's gonna be really spicy. सबै रेडी भइसकेको छ. Mix them well. Really well. Now it's time to put some bolognese pasta sauce. Alright, I think that's gonna be enough. So let's mix it well. The veggies has to be cooked really well, and it looks amazing. Okay, while it's getting ready, I'm gonna get some cheese ready for our pasta. I'll let it cook for some time, and I'm gonna make cheese ready for. Okay, I'm gonna use bigger cheese. These cheese are really good. I like to eat them just as it is without having to cook it. They're amazing. I'm gonna put 2 of the cheese. I don't know why, but I love cheese a lot. I remember when I was a kid, My sister, she used to have a part-time job after her SLC, which is like HSC, and then I never worked because I was very young. My sister was also young, but she wanted to utilize her spare time, so she was doing part-time job. And then in her job, she used to get some lunch, and she used to get me sausage and some cheese from there. And that's the best memory, childhood memory that I have right now when I think of cheese. She used to get me so much cheese, by the way. अब हाम्रो यो रेडी भइसकेको छ. यसमा चाहिँ this is all ready. Let's put some sprinkle some cheese from the top. Oh no, I was supposed to put it at last. Goodness. Okay, let's put some salad, spinach, and mix it for about a minute. And now it's time to put pasta. Alright, it's time to put pasta in. Oh, this is the favorite part. Okay, I forgot to add some oil while boiling them, but not a problem. Oh. This is how it looks. I don't have a good tripod to put it on a stand, which is why my camera is moving a lot. But let me show you the actual pasta here. Okay, let me mix it first. Alrighty, this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna put it on the side. Let's put some cheese on the top. Okay, oh my god, that looks so yum. Ooh, can't wait to give it a try. Alright. Not that hot. It tastes good. I want ice cream because they turn out to be so yum. Look at that. That's gonna be enough for me for like 3 months. No way. I can finish it within today. I'm so hungry. And I am a good eater, lady. Oh. तो बबाल देखेको छ हैन ट्राई पनि गरौँ ल That's so yum.